Alright, vlog. We in Walmart right now. You know what I'm saying?
Sporting goods.
Go got a baby.
Go check sporting goods. Alright.
This looks great.
Yeah, you straight, gang. You straight.
Oh God,
You straight, bro.
I feel like it's too tight.
You straight. Alright, what's up, man? Hey, we are downtown right now. We finna go around doing public interviews, you know what I'm saying? We finna do a 3-in-1. Freakiest thing you ever did.
What's your name?
Carmina. Marcel.
What's the freakiest thing y'all done did to something?
Shit. Fuck on top of a building downtown.
On top of which building?
Simmons Bank.
Bank.
Yeah.
Oh, what about you? What you done did?
Not a damn thing, because I'm fucking pregnant.
You pregnant? How you get pregnant? Alright, how y'all doing?
Good.
How you doing?
Good. Good.
Alright, what's y'all name?
Renaya. Miss Up the Drake. Jamaya Renee.
I'm doing a public interview. So shit, what's the freakiest thing y'all ever done?
Let a nigga spit in my mouth. I let a nigga spit in my mouth. I switched gum with niggas. No, with a nigga. I'm tripping.
What's the freakiest thing?
I ain't did shit freaky.
Alright, y'all have a good one. Alright, how you doing?
Good.
What's your name?
Tay. Yeah.
Hey. What's the freakiest thing you ever done?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
What's up to the vlog?
What's happening?
Where you from?
Yeah, I'm from between my people too. But I was born in the East End.
Yeah, really? What's your name? What's your name?
I'm from the area. Oh, you saying that? Little Redland, man.
Already?
Yeah.
Disorderly, right?
I ain't throw nothing look good.
Nigga, it's disorderly. That's felony. When events going on, it's disorderly. No, I'm gonna explain it to him, bro, because I don't want y'all to get in trouble. Don't get jammed up out here. If y'all want to do that, do it somewhere. Y'all need to go that way.
But send them all look good.
Don't do it with the folks.
Alright,
That's automatic disorder.
Send them over, bro. The question is, hold on, first, you give me 360 right quick. I can grab it. Alright. Oh, you in relation? Alright, we ain't speak on it. Shit, the question is, what's the freakiest thing you done this year?
What's the what?
Freakiest thing you done this year?
Eat pussy.
Alright, so what, you like girls or something?
Yeah.
So you in a relationship with a girl?
Yeah.
You ain't, what the nigga did you wrong or something?
Nah, I just don't fuck with that shit.
Alright, it's good. Nice to meet you, Carly.
Kari.
Nice to meet you, Kari.
Get out,
You don't got any clutching on there? Yeah, he got on the gloves. I'm thinking he clutching or something. He walking with the gloves on. He think he clutching.
When y'all see her, tell her special guest came up here.
Say insufficient funds.
Dang. Shit, how much anything on cash out? Bro, what the fuck you mean, nigga? How much is it, little bro? How much is it, cuz? Shit, let me get a blue raspberry with nerds.
What size?
Large.
Okay. Be there for you?
Nah, that's it.
All right. 14.
Hey, y'all take Apple Pay? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Keep it on the low low. Folks in my DM saying we locked in, but I'm always stuck in no-no. Maybe I got a girl, I can't get caught, so taking pics and no-go. You.
I got
I'm the one who started your career. You be without me. I was young, I said don't jump in that water. Then I started drowning. Yeah, you hard, but you flow. And I just can't be around you. I'm finna blow my
It's my song. It's my song, cuz. You put two in there or just one? What were you gonna ask for? You could ask for more in there,
What sauce that was?
Man, that nigga know it's my sauce.
What the?
He's crazy.
Huh?
That'd take care of me.
Show them what y'all got.
Showed him.
You showed them already, mama?
Yeah, I sure.
One of my first love would be being in Arkansas. Shake and go. Turning up. I gotta wake up every day and be like, alright, this is what I'm gonna do.
Really, shit just gonna happen. Shit.
But shit, at the end of the day, I don't gotta go, but I gotta mind shit.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
Why you put it?
Bullshit.
Yeah, mind shit.
Bullshit.
If I keep doing this shit, it might lead to somewhere else. It might open another door. And why not open some more doors? I'm gonna close a couple more. But what I know is in the toilet later on.
I've been taking it serious. Well, yeah.
I'm already hurting.
Huh?
No way.
What do you cake?
I don't even eat cake. I don't like
I
cake.
ain't gonna lie, that cake.
I
It looked good earlier, but
I ain't never liked cake. That shit disgusting.
only cake
Cake,
I like.
go.
Only cake I like is fried.
By the way, happy 4th of July.
Happy fucking 4th of July.
This was the end of the vlog, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy shit. We finna wrap it up. Finna get any food. I have a 4th of July, end of 4th of July.
Comment what y'all want to see. I mean, shit.
Now, but for real, y'all do have a happy 4th of July. Tell me what y'all want to see in this video. We might just throw something out there. A little video that we had made a couple days ago, something after this video.
Today was just a vlog and public interview and shit. Wasn't really much. We had shit to do in Little Rock.
It's like 2 or something in the morning.
Show them the time.
It's 12:03 though. 12:30.